Okay, today we are going to make an origami star box. So my paper has a design on one side and it's blank on the other. I'm going to start with this design side up. So whatever side you want to show, if your paper has two different colors or sides, whatever side you want to show, you can put facing up. Alright, so I'm going to turn my paper like a diamond. And I'm going to start by folding the top corner all the way down to the bottom corner. Once I get those corners together, I'm going to hold it there with one finger while I go to the middle with the other. And then I'm going to just go out to each side. Okay, open that back up. I'm also going to fold the left side over to the right side. So starting there, left side to right side, hold the corner. Slide your finger to the middle, and then you can crease both edges. And open it back up. Alright, once you've done that, you're going to take the whole paper, the whole model, and flip it over on the back. Now we're going to take it like a square, and you're going to fold this top edge all the way down to the bottom edge. Crease it. Then open it back up. You're going to also fold the left side over to the right side, like a rectangle. Crease it really nicely. Make sure you're trying to get all your folds as perfect as you can. Alright, now open it back up. We're going to turn it like a diamond with this side up still. Now I'm going to take my two side corners right here. And you can see how my fold is already starting to want to fold in. I'm just going to bring these two corners all the way down to the bottom corner. And then this top part, I can just flatten it out like that. So now I have a small little diamond. Okay, I can take this diamond, I'm going to turn it upside down so that my folded parts are on the bottom now and my open book page parts are at the top. Okay, once these parts are open towards the top, I'm going to take just this top little flap from the top corner all the way to the right corner, and I'm going to bring that whole edge into meet the center line. So you have to kind of hold it up at the top. Right, once you get it where you want it, crease it. Same thing on this left side, take from the top corner all the way to the left corner, just on this top flap. See, there's a flap underneath. I'm going to fold this in to meet that center line. I don't want to overlap with my other piece though. You want them to meet just like two little doors. Okay, now we're going to flip this whole thing over and do the same thing to the back. So I'm going to take from the top corner to the right corner, bring all that to the center, crease it, top corner to the left corner, all the way into the center, and crease. Alright, once you have that, you are going to take this little corner in here, you're going to fold it back out to this edge. So it's just a little bitty fold like this. There we go. Same thing with this side. Take this little corner, bring this bottom edge here to meet this outer edge, just like that. Okay. Let's do the same thing on the back. So flip the whole model over. This little corner right here, take this whole bottom edge, make it meet this outside edge. So fold it out like that. Same thing on this side, this corner, all the way out. Alright, so we have front and back looking like this. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is, I'm going to start with this side. I'm going to just take this whole little flap here, and you can see where you can sort of stick your finger inside there and it opens up. I'm going to just sort of pop it open with my finger and I'm going to crease it to be open like that. Okay, do the same thing on the left. So open your little edge. You can see where it opens up. And you'll just open it up, pop it open with your finger, and crease it open. All right, let's flip it on the back and do the same thing. So this edge, open it up, pop it open, crease it. Notice that it's still in line with that center piece. Same thing on the left, open it up, pop it open, and crease. All right, so we have front and back looking like this. All right, let's see. Okay, so we're gonna take the right half of this little piece right here, and we're just gonna fold it backwards. So I'm gonna kind of hide it behind the front piece. Okay, so I just tucked it behind itself right here, behind the front piece. Do the same thing on the other side. The left half of this, I'm gonna just fold it backwards so it fits inside, just like that. Okay, turn it over. Do the same thing on this side. So this whole right half right here, I'm just gonna take it, fold it backwards, sort of tuck it in there with my finger, crease it good. Same thing over here, left side, take it, fold it backwards so it's tucked in, just like that. Okay, we're almost done. So this top little piece right here, I'm going to take it and just fold it straight down and back up. Actually, there's one step I forgot, sorry. We're going to take this bottom corner, you're going to fold it up kind of in line with these two side corners right here, so it makes a triangle. This is going to be the bottom of your little box, so you can just fold that and unfold it just to get a crease there, so when we pop it open, it'll know where to go. Okay, now let's go back to this part so we can fold that part down, flip the whole thing over. You guessed it, do the same thing on this side. So this top little piece, just the top flap, you're going to fold it down. And I'm sort of folding it at the edges here where those two little pieces come up. All right, now I'm going to take it like a little book page. I'm going to just open this side piece up. See, the side piece kind of opens like that. I'm going to take it like a book page and just turn the book page. Take this top corner, this top flap, fold it down, crease it. Now you see I have one left. Let's turn our book page back. Now we got to turn another book page back. Ah, there it is. So once you get it opened like that, you're going to take this top corner, fold it down. So you've folded down all four corners. Alright, once it's like this, you are ready to open your box. So I'm going to, this is the top of my box, the opening. This little pointy part is going to come up. So I'm going to show you from the top. I'm going to open my little box, kind of pop it open with your hand. That. Sticking my finger in there to get it opened. And it should look something like this. Ah. So you have a little box, 4 little corners sticking out like a little star. And the bottom looks like that. Hope you had fun making an origami star box.